Oh yeah, there's the trailhead. I see it. Well, let's begin this hike. So this is the upper part of the falls. Is that ice?
Yes, there is ice.
I guess that's the summit up there.
At the top of Angel's Rest.
You see those feet? That is a soaker.
I wish I could eat it.
It's a spring. It starts from nowhere. Look. Okay, eat up. So what would you rather do? 4.5 miles back or a shortcut? Okay, done. Let's do it. Wow, it's a zigzag all the way down. Oh, there he falls. Now we got to get to the car. Another 3 miles.